Have you ever wondered how gold is made? It's a question that may have crossed your mind, but the reality is gold isn't made, not in the way you might think. This precious metal doesn't come from a factory or a lab. No, gold's origin story is far more fascinating and otherworldly. You see, gold is a product of the cosmos. It's born from a process that takes place in the vast expanse of the universe, far beyond the reaches of our planet. Supernovas, the explosive deaths of stars, create conditions extreme enough to form gold. And once it's formed, it begins a journey, hitching a ride on meteorites that streak through the night sky. These meteorites, carrying their golden cargo, eventually find their way to Earth, depositing gold into our planet's crust. It's an incredible journey spanning light years and billions of years. So, in essence, every bit of gold originates from the stars above. But how does this stellar gold find its way to our planet, you might wonder? Well, the answer is both fascinating and quite literally out of this world. Picture billions of years ago, a time when the Earth was still in its infancy. That's when meteorites, space rocks packed with various elements including gold, began their descent onto our planet. These meteorites, like cosmic gifts, peppered the Earth's surface, bringing with them the precious element we so covet today. Over countless millennia, the meteorites broke down, weathered by the elements of Earth. The gold within them, resistant to most forms of wear and tear, was carried away by the forces of nature, the trickling streams, the gusty winds. It was these very forces that eventually led gold to settle in places we now know as gold mines. So, the next time you admire a piece of gold jewelry, remember, so the gold in your jewelry has had quite an adventurous journey before ending up in your hands? Now, how do we get this gold out of the earth and into our hands? It all begins with mining. Gold is mined in two ways, either from hard rock or placer deposits. Hard rock mining, as the name suggests, involves drilling and blasting into solid rock to extract the precious metal. On the other hand, placer mining is all about sifting through riverbed sediments for gold particles. Once mined, the gold isn't quite ready to sparkle on your finger just yet. It must be refined. The refining process involves melting the gold and treating it with substances to remove impurities. This process is repeated until what's left is pure, gleaming gold, ready to be transformed into the jewelry and products we treasure. So, from a star to a meteorite, from a meteorite to the earth, and from the earth to your hands, that's the incredible journey of gold.